Sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. On her butt. God damn it. Don't you bite me.
A dramatic incident occurred at an airport where a passenger was denied boarding for violating security procedure, leading to a confrontation with police and her arrest after a struggle and disturbance.
Is she being denied boarding? Is she being denied boarding?
Yes.
So she's being denied boarding?
I don't want to exit the plane.
Okay. So is she already on the plane?
Yeah, she just ran. She's not boarded. I didn't board her.
Is she on the jet bridge or is she on the plane?
Somewhere over there with the supervisor.
Another day.
So towards the end of the boarding, she just kind of ran past everybody, and it's a security breach.
Is she being denied?
Correct. Yeah, we
They're all the way inside the aircraft. Yes,
so once I told her, she finally came off when I mentioned no flight list, but she's very irate, sitting down there in the purple shirt. But we'll take her to the back. We'll give her a refund.
Hey, dear. Ma'am? Ma'am? Hey, can we go up there and talk, please, so we can...
No, I cannot. I want my bag off this plane.
9-2, can I get an airside?
I need my bag. You didn't let me board. You're not going to give me a refund. You're not going to send me out.
We are going to give you a refund.
I'm going to give you a refund.
So, ma'am, can we go up there and talk at the counter so they can work on the computer to get you a refund? Ma'am, we have to clear this jet bridge so they can take off.
What's going on?
Right now, this jet bridge, are you guys in control of it, or is Go in control?
It's still federal property, but as of right now, we have our team here, so technically Spirit's operating on the ship.
Because you guys are still attached to the plane.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you guys want to press charges for trespass after warning if she refuses to leave the jet bridge? Because I can't force her to go unless either you or Go would do it. Go ahead.
I don't think Spirit would want to do that.
Can you advise us if this is going to be a security incident or a gate service?
Still, well, they're saying it's a security incident.
She breached the jet bridge without scanning. She ran right.
Oh, so she didn't scan.
No,
She's not standing.
Right now, she's
We're not
already
even sure
trespassed.
that this is her.
Yeah.
All right, ma'am. Can you fill me in on what's going on? Why are we here? What's going on?
I'm ready to get on the plane. I gotta be able to get 12:20. She gonna tell me I can't get on the plane. I've been on this plane already before this morning. I've been sitting there all day long.
Okay.
I do not want to go back on no other plane. I gotta be able to get 12:20 in the morning.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Because they're not even sure if you are who you say you are. Do you have ID on you?
All I have is a passport. I
Okay.
came from Costa Rica.
You guys
A
can't take off
passport
until
is
this
fine.
is clear, right?
Correct. We cannot disconnect the jet bridge with her in here because she could get injured.
Ma'am, can I see your passport? Thank you. Okay, hold on to this.
But we're past that now, and I don't want you to be trespassed by the airport. This is federal property. I don't want you to be charged for trespassing.
Yes.
So we really would like you just to be treated.
How is I'm
Can I
trespassing?
explain to you how this is all coming about? So the reason why this is coming about is because they said, according to the call we got, I don't know what happened, but according to the call we got, you came and went past them onto the jet bridge without showing your ticket.
It's a lie. How did they know what I got if I didn't show my ticket?
Okay.
She didn't even see my ticket.
Okay.
They know it's right there.
Okay,
And my name.
so with that being said, being that you're saying that you did show them something, I don't want it to get to a point where they're going to deny you boarding, then they're going to trespass you from the airport. Now you can't even fly out the airport. They're willing to take care of you, but you can't stay here. Because right now you haven't committed a crime technically. We're not involved yet. I don't want us to become involved because now if we become involved, that means
Giving me a refund money is not on the same day. It's not going to give me back
No, the manager just told you. Did you just not tell her that you would try to rebook her for another flight, or am I hearing stuff?
Not today.
Not
Based
today,
on the
okay.
circumstances, not
Okay.
today. But we will
It
give her
will
a
be
refund
today
so
and
she
I
can look at
gotta
other
go to
airlines.
work. I have to go to work and sweat, please.
So here's the thing. Like I said, I don't want you to end up being banned from the airport. That's going to make the situation even worse. And I don't want that for you.
I'm trying to tell her that I'll refund her myself. I don't want her to have to go through another bigger process and then have more problems.
So when she goes up there, can she go with you?
Yeah, I told her, come
out?
with me. I'll refund you myself.
Okay, thank you.
We can just tell her to go. If you want to press charges,
If she refuses to leave, she no longer has a valid ticket. She has no business being here without a valid.
so you are good on charges. And
GOA, as a representative of GOA, if she refuses to leave, she no longer has a valid ticket. We are willing to press charges.
we are able to. Do you want to today? That's it. Just yes or no.
As a GOA official, if she refuses to leave the airside, I'm going to give her a chance.
Right.
If she continues to refuse to leave, you need to explain to her that she no longer has a ticket for today, but you are going to rebook her.
Or not rebook.
She's already
refund.
been. She's already been.
Refund.
She's
Okay,
already
she
been
no longer has a
explained.
valid ticket. If she refuses to leave, then yes, GOA will be pressing charges.
Yeah. Okay. I just got the verbiage. No. I just want to make sure.
I know this is a process. So no.
It's not too much of a process.
So they already did the refund. So if you want, we can go ahead and ask.
that's fine.
We can go ahead and make that.
And I'm stuck out.
No, but that's not the only option. You have other options.
No, I don't, because you just gave me a refund. It's going to take 3 to 5 days. All I have is $200 cash. I cannot find a last minute flight to get back to Dallas.
Like I explained, man, we processed the refund for you.
Okay, well, take me to jail. That secure my safety and secure my body. That's the only way I can feel safe. I don't know nothing about your state. I don't know how to get back home.
Coleman, Ms. Coleman, like I said, at this point, you know,
But at this point, I'm not moving, and I don't got no way. I'd rather go to jail because I don't have no security to get on my body and myself. I don't know nothing about this state.
if you end up going to jail, guess what? Now you have to worry about a bond. How are you going to get out with the bond?
I would get out.
Hold on.
I would secure my safety. I'm in a state by myself that I don't know nothing about.
So
I'm
we're
not
trying
worried
to,
about that. I can't even got enough money to get in a last minute flight. Do you know how much last minute flights is? I already tried $528, which I don't have no more $200 cash, and you gonna give me my money in 3 or 5 days. I don't have nowhere to go.
Okay.
I don't have nowhere to stay. I don't know nobody in this state.
And we're right here. Just talk to us right here. You don't have to go. Okay? So, well, as of right now, right, they are refunding your money. Okay? I'm explaining to you that all we have to do is go back to the land.
Daddy, I'd rather go to jail at her and then I'm gonna give you, just get my check and go. Get me out of jail because this is crazy. I don't got nowhere to go and they keeping me
All you
in
gotta
here.
do is leave.
That's all that somebody refund me my
Let's-
money, but then the
let's
money
walk.
don't hit the card
Miss
until 3 to 4 days.
You're not-
Daddy, I don't got no money
Can I
but
talk to you?
$200.
Can I
That's
talk to you?
it.
Miss Coleman.
Why can't I book a last minute flight?
Coleman, can I talk to him? Are you okay if I talk to him for just a moment?
I found a Greyhound bus. That's still 500 something damn dollars.
Coleman.
Everything $500.
Tell me when you're done.
That's why I told them to do the rest of me. They tell me it's different options. No, it's not. I'm in the States by myself and I don't know where I'm at.
Leave that. We can fill that out later. That's what I'm trying to say. We don't need that. As long as she refuses right here, I'm good with it. We can fill that out once we have her.
Miss Coleman, can I
I
talk to you
don't
about?
got nowhere. I don't got nowhere to go.
Miss Coleman, I just want to get you to the main terminal.
Please.
Miss Coleman, I just want to get you to the main terminal. Can I speak to your dad? Can I speak to him? Is it okay?
Miss Coleman,
Miss
you're
Coleman.
calling the emergency number. That's 911.
Ma'am, can I talk to your
Yes, I
dad?
need the police.
This is the police.
Ma'am, we are
Can I
the
talk-
police.
Can I
Why
talk to
did
your
you
dad?
not? But you're not taking me to jail because I'm in the state that I don't know where to go,
Miss
and I'm
Coleman,
telling you to take me to jail, and you're not
Miss
listening.
Coleman, Miss Coleman, we're trying to help you out. Can I talk to your dad real quick?
Daddy, I am not. I'm the first.
I'm done when you're done.
Miss Coleman, can you just gather your stuff and we'll go ahead and walk to the main terminal? I'll talk
I'm not moving. Don't worry. I'm not moving.
Hang on in this case. I'm not going to keep going back and forth. I'm trying to help her as best as I can.
We've already
And
done it.
I don't have enough money. All I got is $200 cash, and everything is $500. And my refund is coming 3 or 5 business days.
ma'am,
You
why
took
you
my
doing
computer. You took my belongings already. Okay. I tell you, you don't have to do all that. And they're grabbing me. Hey, you stop. You don't have to do all
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
And I didn't.
Got one, you got two. Slow down, slow down. I have both of their legs. I got both of them.
All you have to do is say, put your hands behind your back. You don't have to do all that. Say, you don't
We
have
gave
to
you
do
the
all
opportunity
that.
to leave.
Let me go. You're about to break my glasses. Can you stop?
Stop resisting. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not resisting.
Give me your arm.
Please.
Give me your arm.
Let me go and I'm going to let you. I'm going to
Give
put
me
it
your
on.
arm.
Hey, I'm going to put it on. Hey, I'm going to put it on.
God damn it! Don't you bite me! Don't you fucking bite me!
You sitting up and grabbing me. Daddy grabbing me all kind of ways.
Don't
Daddy,
you fucking bite me! Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting. They're grabbing me all kind of ways, Daddy. Stop.
Stop moving!
Okay, can you get up? Just try to get out my glasses. That's all I'm trying to do.
Well, guess what? You ain't bit me!
Okay, so I got a charge. Thank you.
Don't move! Until we are done, do not move!
Can I get on the ground? May I get on the
Once
ground?
you are secure, you will be let up.
Can I get
You're
on the
going
ground?
to listen to me.
Can I get on the
You
ground,
are going
please?
straight to the ground. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, can I go to the ground, please? Can I go straight to the ground?
Sit on your butt.
Okay.
Sit on your butt. On your butt.
Hey, I'm going to
On
the
your
ground.
butt.
I'm going
On
to
your
the ground.
butt.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I'm not even resisting. You don't got to do all of that. All you have to do, Sarah, ask me, can you put your hands behind your back?
Kick your legs out.
I'm asking, that just being resisting, and I told him, all I asked them, can they just take me to jail, and they just did all this for nothing. So they can make it seem. And you're being recorded by people too.
I'm being recorded by my body camera.
Okay, so. Okay, can you just get my glasses? That's all I care about. That's it. Thank you.
The moment you say no, you don't want to leave, there's no talking.
So you did you have to do resistance like that? All you have to do, when I asked you, I want to go to jail. I said, I can put my hands behind
If
my
you
back.
wanted to go to jail, why were you resisting?
I didn't resist. You just did all that for nothing. You just said, ma'am. I said, ma'am, do you know what you just did? Snatch my face. Okay, thank you.
You good?
I gotta check my leg. She bit me pretty good.
Oh, well, you might well check the illness too. Because you should not put your hands on nobody and like that. And when nobody was in the resistance, I asked you, can I go to jail? You should say, ma'am, do you mind putting your hands behind my leg?
You don't tell us how to do our job.
You didn't
We
have
asked
to
you to
jump all
leave.
on me like
Go ahead, go
that.
through her stuff.
There's so many t-shirts and earrings.
Can you
My
do me a
charger,
favor? Because I know you guys
My
are funding
money
her ticket.
and
She's
passport.
banned from your airline.
We're now going to do that. I need to tell her that whenever you guys have a moment, I'll have to tell her.
Sir, come here. Being that you're in charge of the air side, is she permanently banned from this airport?
She's being arrested. I need to call my supervisor to give me 2
Thank you.
Thank you.
24, go ahead. Kick your leg forward. Thank you.
No.
I'm letting you know. I will spray if you stop.
I'm not being a resistant arrest. You're doing body force.
As a result,
You're doing body force for nothing. Sir, I'm gonna walk properly with
So
you.
go ahead
I wouldn't even put my hands behind your back. You just jumped on me for no reason.
Where's she
I
biting you
have to
at?
deal with her. Do you have her?
Why you biting my officer?
Because he grabbed my face and messed it down. Sir, all he had to do is say, can you put your hands behind? I asked him to get out of jail. So how is that a resistant arrest if I'm asking you to take me to jail because I don't know where I'm from? Right? I don't know where I'm from. So I asked you to take me to jail because it's secure my safety. Right? So you didn't have to jump on me and do all what you was doing.
So you
You
ordered,
attacked me first.
So you board a plane without a ticket. He calls. Let me finish. You board a plane without a ticket. It causes all this chaos. These officers come out here, polite, professional, and courteous, and then you turn around and fight with this officer when he's out here trying to be professional with you. Not making sense, ma'am. Okay.
Please see an agent at the 8 to check your item.
Okay.
He said by the time came on, all he had to do was say, "Ma'am, can you put your hands on my back?" I asked him to put your, so that means I would put my hands behind my back with no problem. But right now, he asked me, is I going to walk to the car with no problem? I'm not going to resist. All you got to do is pay. You don't have to jump on nobody.
Okay.
Yep. Let's go.
Ready? All right. Straight up, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll get her in my car once we get over there. She gonna walk on her sprayer.
Is that mine?
Let's go.
I'm not resisting. I'm asking, was that my stove?
We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go that way.
All right, right upper thigh.
AOR units around or going on the scene at 8 you want to redirect them over to the ground level?
Yeah.